We are live.
Great. Hello, everybody. It is Sunday. We are
Hello.
back. Jazib's here. I'm here. We're here with another fun episode. हमारे आज की जो guest हैं, she's a young mom, a young model. She's done so well for herself in these past couple of years. And she's practically a household name now. Everybody knows her. We've seen her on covers. We've seen her on billboards. And she's amazing at what she does. So very warm welcome to Alize. Alize, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for such a great introduction, first of all. And I'm glad we're doing this because as we're all bored sitting at home doing nothing. So
Yes. So how's quarantine treating you, Elise?
it's
What does your day
I
look
think-
like?
I think we're all just getting used to it now. It's the
Yeah.
new normal. So
It is
you know,
the new normal.
yeah.
सच है।
शुरू में
मुझे
तो
ये बताओ
ये-
एलिजे yeah,
Yeah.
please go on.
शुरू में तो like you know it was fun, like we were posting कि अच्छा कितने day 1, day 2, day 3, and it's just now I'm like okay fine, I think we're gonna do this for a long time.
हाँ,
Yes,
this is
I
a
think
long
so
time.
too.
मुझे ये बताओ how is it being at home? You're also a young mom, and how is that? Like because घर पे होते हो, do you dress up? How do you like pretend that it's normal and like it's a work day or whatever? वो किस तरह से सारा manage कर रहे हो?
Yeah, like honestly I'm not pretending any, like I'm just resting. I'm spending time with my daughter, I'm spending time with my
That's
mom,
really good.
and like you know just trying to get on with life like this, and I hope that things get better so we can go back to work. But a lot of people
Yeah.
are still working and you know going
Yeah.
out and stuff, which I think is not right at the moment because it's not helping us move forward, because जब तक corona cases खत्म नहीं होंगे, we're not going to be able to do anything, and people are not sitting at home, so it's like the ongoing process.
Because say, and I'm glad
It
you
really
said this,
is.
Alize, because a lot of people believe कि नहीं यार अब ईद भी आ रही है, and people want to step out again. So it's a good platform that we have, especially you with all your following. You can tell people कि यार नहीं, if I can sit at home despite my very busy schedule otherwise, so it's good for you to also do this. So yeah, I think
A
it's
lot
very
of people,
appreciable.
I think that what's not right is that a lot of people are posting on their Instagram that don't go out, stay home, but on the other hand they are going out and they're then posting things, so that's not a good influence on their followers, you know. It's not a very good thing.
बिल्कुल, I absolutely agree.
But obviously
Acha,
I am sad, and I think everyone is sad that this Eid and this Ramadan was not
I know.
like every year, like we used to go out for iftaris, families coming over, Eid पे family dinners, and you know सब ईद मिलना and everything. तो I think कि वो इस दफा बहुत कमी महसूस होगी, but
Obviously.
hopefully we're gonna come out of this like and down
Very soon, inshallah. तो ईद की कोई preparation हुई है? Have you bought clothes? Are you doing mehndi, चूड़ियाँ? Do you do that thing?
Yeah, I अभी तो नहीं, you know I have my own brand, Miral by Elise
You do?
Nicole.
Yes.
So
of
yeah,
course.
yeah. So we were not like इतना ज़्यादा ईद collection बनाना या shoot करने का time नहीं मिला. But we still are doing few things and selling clothes online on Instagram for the local deliveries in Pakistan. But I
Good.
personally didn't get my hand on any clothes as yet क्योंकि इतने ज़्यादा giveaways और इतने ज़्यादा उस तरह भी आ गए हैं. But the thing is that
बिल्कुल.
I feel इस दफा इतना दिल भी नहीं है कि आप
I
लो
know.
और करो. But you know I have to do it for Miral because I don't want her to
Yes.
feel that it's any different this year, so I'm gonna you know dress up, make her dress up, and you know we're gonna just pretend that
So you
everything's
look-
fine and
हाँ, and we'll also look forward to those cute mommy and me pictures.
Yeah.
They're always a treat to watch.
so if I'm not gonna
Acha,
do that,
मुझे-
she's gonna feel bad.
She will. Obviously, with kids, you always need to, some sort of normalcy needs to be maintained. मुझे
I
बताओ,
personally love
Alize,
Chandrat myself, so I don't know
है ना,
how I'm
कितना
gonna
cute
manage
है.
because yeah, it's okay.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. मुझे बताओ, you've been modeling for a while now. We know that you started off as a child star स्कूल का मैगजीन था and like you went on the cover और फिर उसके बाद से just took off. So what was the strongest opposition you had? घर से opposition थी, peers की opposition थी, जो friends थे, कोई jealousy, some story there.
I think the jealousy is always there, but for me, I think that आपको अपने पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, that you should do good and you should just be focused that you are your own competition and not anyone else, because you
That's
should.
so true.
Yeah, and you should try to be better every day rather than comparing yourself or आप किसी और से मुकाबले में अपने आप को नहीं देखते हो अक्सर. But the thing is that so my family was not really supportive at first, but then
as
obviously
all Pakistani families.
Yeah, but it all
imagine
started as like I was a kid, so I just started as quiz show, and then it became a cooking show, and then it became like a magazine cover, and then it became like each shoot. So like slowly, gradually, I came into this. So shuru mein to they were like, okay, fine, she's young, she's just doing it for fun, and then they're like, what? Like she's like doing campaigns, and they're billboards.
now.
And I was like, my dad is very cool about it. My mom is really cool, but obviously families do have issues that उस time पे अभी भी like I think they're like oh लोग क्या सोचेंगे, ये क्या होगा, वो क्या होगा, but my family is not like that. Like my mom and dad, they're very like.
That's amazing. That is amazing.
That's amazing that you have the support of your family. I mean, that is a very rare thing for many people in Pakistan.
Yeah, I think that's what matters. That if your family is supportive, you should not care what people think or what they are saying.
Absolutely. मुझे बताओ any one campaign that you remember. We're advertisers, Jhanseeb and I. We run an advertising agency. तो हमारे लिए it's a very important सवाल to ask. कोई ऐसी campaign that you remember, which is like, हाँ, this is the one that made me.
That made? Sorry, I can't hear.
That made you. कि मतलब Alizé जो है fame पहला मिला किस campaign से, which brand if you would want to mention. कि कहाँ से शुरू हुआ ये सारा?
there is not one, because at that time I was doing a lot of TV commercials as well. So along with the commercials, I was doing the campaigns for all these clothing brands for like Crossroads, House Time, like
I remember Crossroads. Crossroads है अभी भी? अब नहीं है.
नहीं. I think it's shut down.
It was the orange one, right?
It was the orange one. बड़ा famous होता था, मुझे याद है.
Yeah. So we used to do those and Leisure Club, and I think the moment I realized that now like I'm in the game was when I started doing the lawn, because I was just doing the Leisure Club and because I was just doing all these shoots, like वो जो group shots होते हैं, ईद वाली shoots होते हैं, family shoots. So then one day I got a call from Guddu Shani and they're like, we're gonna do this shoot for, I think it was, I've done 2-3 at that moment, Gulem, Nishat, and a lot of these like lawn stuff. So we did that and there was a great response, and I was like, okay, fine, now I'm ready to be a model. But then I left in between because when I had Miral, I was not working for like 2 years, and then I got back, which was like, it was like I was starting from scratch. So yeah.
बिल्कुल. I like ये बहुत serious होते जा रहे हैं हमारे सवाल, but like one big question before we move on to the fun part is कि being a mom and being a model, how difficult is that in this industry in this day and age?
I think being a single mother, being a mom, or even if like just being a girl, it's not easy to make your mark in any in any field, in any like whatever you do. So I think whatever people should appreciate that you've made your name, that you have worked hard, because आपको अपने आप पे होना चाहिए कि आपने कितनी मेहनत और struggle किया. Anyone can do that, but आप किसी को समझा नहीं सकते. Everyone's like, oh, it's just easy, they're just doing modeling, pictures खिंचवानी है खड़ी होके, but it's like really difficult to make a mark for yourself and then sustain it. Like to like just come and go is really easy, but sustaining the mark and working is really difficult in any field. That's what I feel.
in any field.
Yeah,
I
in any
completely
field.
agree. And that's
Exactly.
wonderful.
So it is
अच्छा,
difficult, but I think you should not give up. But there were times that I used to think, अच्छा नहीं मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, I should just do something else. कि अच्छा ठीक है.
Yeah.
But then I was like, no, I have to do this because I took this decision and I made my family a part of this and I fought for this, so I have to do it well now.
We are very glad that you did.
And we're
going to
very
move on.
happy that you sort of took the steps that you took. I mean, I think the industry sort of needs examples of people like yourself who have actually made it. I think it's a very inspirational story that you've told us today.
Thank you so much.
Acha ji, moving on to the more fun part of it is our next segment, which is called Ramp Nightmares. Ramp Nightmares क्या है? वो ये है कि very quickly I will ask you some questions और मुझे आपसे बताना है कि अगर आप रैम्प पे अभी जाने वाली हैं और ये सिचुएशन अराइज करती है,
ले जाओ मुझे रैम्प पे. I'm so bored.
है ना?
I can imagine.
अब तो ख्वाब लगता है.
ख्वाब ही लगता है वैसे वाकई. The first situation is
आज मुझे ख्वाब में आया है कि I had a dream that I was traveling and I'm going in the jet and I'm going to miss my flight. I'm going somewhere and I'm like, oh my god.
बस I think coronavirus is about to be over. अब तो ख्वाब भी आने.
इंशाल्लाह.
इंशाल्लाह.
अच्छा जी, first situation, रैम्प पे जाने वाली हैं and your dress doesn't fit. It's loose, it's baggy, it's just ill-fitted. How would Alize react?
Like it happened to me so many times that I can't even count. Yeah, because a lot of designers, you know, कुछ लोग fittings कराते हैं. Some designers don't get the fittings done, so that's really like not very helping for us. So basically, I'm gonna try and remember one. Yeah, there was this one time, and I was wearing the. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है मुझे आ जाएगा. I remember it was Sheru's show, and so I wore the dress और वो like पीछे से उसकी zip थी, like ऊपर से नीचे तक zip थी, ठीक है. And when I tried it on, वो zip टूट गई थी. And like the show had started, and Sheru's like, where's Alize? It's her, like उसने जाना है रैंप पे. And I'm like shit. So उन्होंने क्या किया फिर, जो helper थी, she made me like wear the outfit and then she stitched it on me. And I was just there. I was like, oh my god, I can't go on the ramp. What if it's like open?
Yeah, that's like the biggest nightmare.
Yeah, but then I couldn't do my walk. But जब finale हुआ, I just went there and I clapped and I came back and
like, हाँ ठीक है, I've done my part. This is the best I can do. Very nice. अच्छा, second one is, what if your makeup looks like a nightmare? कि आप अपनी शक्ल देखो एंड में और आप कहो कि यार नहीं, ये इस शक्ल के साथ पे नहीं जा सकती.
ये भी बहुत है.
अच्छा जब ये होता है फिर क्या होता है उसके बाद क्या होता है?
But you know, in fashion week, a lot of people don't know that we can't choose a specific look for ourselves. Like so, basically there are two groups, like team, like group A, group B. So एक group में इतनी like there's certain models in group A, certain models in group B. तो उन दोनों की makeup looks decided होती हैं. So there are times that I don't agree and I don't like the looks they create for us. So काफी दफा अच्छी भी लगती हैं, but you know I have really difficult eyes. Like I have like really small eyes, so I'm like okay. So there are times that I don't like it, but then I like try to make it work. कभी-कभी थोड़ा खुद से touch up करके.
Nice.
रैंप पे
So
जाने
you take matters into your own hands.
There are girls who like completely change their makeup before going on.
Really?
At least I don't.
And that's okay with designers?
हाँ? Yeah, because designers की उतनी वो call नहीं होती. I think वो makeup artists को जो team होती है, they create looks and everything, which are really nice, and a lot of girls look really nice. I've looked very nice in a lot of looks, but कभी-कभी होता है आपको नहीं सूट कर रही होती है, जल्दी में आपने कराया होता है, लेट हो रहा होता है, तो वो थोड़ा सा messed up.
अच्छा जी, एक और जो nightmare जो बहुत models ने, I'm not sure if you've been through this, but a lot of models have, is you walk onto the ramp और आपकी heel टूट गई है या आपका पाँव twist हो गया and you fall.
Or you just slip?
I have tripped a lot of times.
अच्छा.
And It's really embarrassing, but जो आगे आपके choreographer खड़ा होता है, पहले शेरू खड़ा होता था या विनी खड़ी होती है आगे DJ के पास, so she's like telling us what to do, and it happened to me. Like whenever I trip, I just look at them and I'm like laughing. So I'm like, okay, fine. So you know that happened. And I think the very first show I did, I was a showstopper because I did this shampoo commercial and it was their fashion show. And I had never walked on the ramp. I was वहाँ पे गई, वहाँ पे Submarine, Sybil, everywhere, everyone was there.
Yeah.
And I went to Sybil and I'm like, can you please tell me what to do? Like, I don't know how to walk. And she's like, she told me like everything. And I was wearing this gown. So before going on the ramp, I was really nervous. तो वो मेरा जो गाउन था वो थोड़ा हील में फंस गया and I walked throughout with that and it was my first time and I was a showstopper and I was so embarrassed that I was like, oh no, this is not happening.
I can imagine.
I still remember, but I've tripped a lot of times. But thank God.
But it's natural, yaar. It's natural. But it takes a lot of grace to sort of get up.
Dresses are really heavy that we wear. They're like
of course.
Crazy heavy. Yeah.
Yes.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही. Okay, the last situation is, and this is quite mean. I don't know if this really happens or maybe it's a figment of my imagination. कि आप बिल्कुल जा रहे लगे हो रैंप पे and you overhear कि जिस डिजाइनर का शो है वो किसी को कह रहे हैं यार ये तो बैकअप थी, इसको एंड में हमने शो स्टॉप करा दिया. How does that feel? या
एंड में क्या कर दिया?
कि एंड में यार ये बैकअप ऑप्शन थी, इसको मैंने अभी बस क्योंकि मेन लीड ने कैंसिल कर दिया तो अब ये शो स्टॉप है.
Thank God that never happened. I would never go on it. I would be like, आप खुद जाएं.
Wear your dress and go yourself.
I'm like really surprised
go
at
yourself.
your imagination. I'm sure this happened. You have to tell me the story. This is not
no, I just have a very overactive imagination. But I can imagine, yeah, people can be mean and हो सकता है ये possible है कि कोई
even if they are and even if they do that, they're very like I think they're smart enough to not say it backstage. I'm sure
not
they just
say
text or whatever.
Not to say it.
But I would never walk for someone. Like I would want someone like I would want to be the first choice. If
नहीं of course. We actually जब हम shoots वगैरह कर रहे होते हैं ads के shoots वगैरह तो उसके अंदर a lot of times we don't end up with the first option. So,
I hate like you know it's like a I don't know what to say. It's like a game. Like they call you. They're like, okay, we're gonna pitch you for this ad, and I'm gonna tell you what's your budget, and then they play these mind games, and they call the other person. Then they see, अच्छा इसके पैसे कितने, इसके पैसे कितने, and then the advertising agencies are the like gamers. And then they call and then they're like, oh, you know, the client went with the other option. We really liked you, but you know, the budget.
Oh God, नहीं यार हम सारे इतने बुरे नहीं हैं. But I can imagine ये हो सकता है.
But just to tell you, on the other side of the curtain, where the advertising agencies are sitting, budgets are very tight. Just saying.
Yeah, I am so done with budget. Oh my God, like it's just too much. Overrated. Marketing.
अच्छा जी. Okay. Moving on, our next segment is आप अलीज़े गाने सुनती हैं?
बिल्कुल.
Bollywood, Lollywood, all sorts of that.
सारे.
अच्छा हम बहुत फिल्मी हैं. On this side, we are very filmy. तो हमें ये एक segment है जहाँ पे हम कुछ songs आपको बताएंगे and you have to complete the missing words in the song.
Okay.
ठीक है. So the first one is दिल खो गया हो गया किसी का अब रास्ता मिल गया डैश का.
You can sing it to like
तेरी ओर.
It is तेरी ओर.
Yes.
गा के सुनाओ ना यार.
गा
के सुनाओ.
गा के तो आपने सुनाना है.
People will go offline. Why don't you sing it for her?
किसी का.
किसी का.
अब रास्ता.
And is that correct?
No, that's incorrect.
खुशी का.
खुशी का.
Yes, yes.
We will give it to you.
Very nice. Well done.
Next one.
मेरे पास बहुत.
राम चाहे लीला चाहे.
लीला चाहे राम. हमारे हैं यार, हम दोनों के हैं. हम दोनों के तुम्हारा गलत है।
अभी डैश तो आया ही नहीं, अभी डैश तो आया ही नहीं।
अच्छा तो गलत है ना। अच्छा चलो।
राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के डैश में दुनिया का क्या काम?
बीच में?
नहीं,
एक सेकंड। लव में।
करेक्ट। अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट वन। चक्कर वरना रे मेरा डैश मुझसे मिलन
मेरा
आयो।
पिया मुझसे मिलन आयो।
यार that was too easy यार।
that was too easy.
अच्छा, अगला भी is too easy, but we'll still go for it. नदियाँ पार पार करके टुकड़े डैश डैश करके।
दिल गा के सुना दो ये वाला अगर नहीं आता मुझे।
तो नदियाँ पार पार करके टुकड़े डैश डैश करके।
बार बार करके।
क्लोज इनफ। और कुछ राइमिंग वर्ड सोचो।
चार चार करके।
या
हेलो। Hello. What happened? Hello.
There's a technical glitch. Can you just give me a minute?
Okay.
I am so sorry, Elise. There seems to be a technical issue, जिसकी वजह से we lost sort of touch.
Are we still live?
We are live, and we are going to continue exactly where we left off.
Where is Jahzeb?
Jahzeb is, I think, joining again. कुछ link में technical issue आ गया था. Such is the world we live in now.
I think my video is stuck. Can you see me? Oh, fine.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you perfectly well.
Okay.
We will give Jahzeb 2 minutes and then we will begin again. कि वो आ जाएं और join कर लें, because the next few segments we're going to be playing games जिसमें दोनों participants का होना बहुत जरूरी है. तब तक we'll do the last one, and the last one is where you're completing the song. It is रेगिस्तानों मैदानों में भटकी वो रुसवाई में ससी रह गई आहें भरती पुन्नू की डैश
जुदाई में.
Wow, you really are a pro at this, huh? गाने सुनती रहती.
I don't know this song, but like it's obvious.
It's pretty obvious. That was a good guess. Nice, yaar. That's
what song
very
is
nice.
that? What song
this
is that?
Balma Bhagoda.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. ये apparently बड़ा famous हुआ था. Maya Ali, I believe, dances in the song.
Oh,
Zara था. I don't know the film. But yeah, बड़ा famous हुआ था. Because a lot of
I think वो उसका लिखा होगा हाय दिल जिसका वो गाना है हाय.
I think so. हाँ, बेचारा. Yeah.
वो डाला यार. चलो कोई नहीं.
मुझे भी नहीं आता. I'm very bad at this. अच्छा, we are going to do a quick rapid fire with you. And we have 4 very interesting questions. आपसे यकीनन लोगों ने पूछे होंगे, but I would want for our audiences today to find out. सबसे पहले, what is the most embarrassing, the downright most embarrassing moment of your life?
Like specifically one, कोई काफी सारे.
वो जिसको याद करके आप कहते हो कि यार I wish this
यार,
could
I
happen.
think कि मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा memory का issue है. So whenever like there are times that people come up to me and they're like, oh hi, how are you? Remember, like, and then I pretend and I pretend to know that who they are, which is really bad, and I pretend that, oh, I know their name, but then I don't, and it's really embarrassing. And then they're asking me कि अच्छा वो क्या हुआ उस बात का, and एक दो दफा मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ और मैं इतनी embarrassed हुई हूँ. और फिर like there was one time that this girl, and she's like, आधी बातें होगी, and then she's like, you don't remember, right? I don't think you remember.
Oh,
And I
God.
said, yeah, I don't. Please, just I'm really sorry. And then she told me her name. It was really embarrassing.
But ये predictable है यार, because आपकी field जैसी है, you meet so many people, it's very difficult to keep track of everybody that you meet.
Exactly.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, what is the best childhood memory that you have?
The best childhood memory is like my birthday has always been like very special to me, and I would like they sab celebrate kare mere saath and make me feel special and everything. So bachpan se, like my dada used to prepare for my birthday night before, and he used to like prepare everything himself, and I would like wake up in the morning or bunties lagi hoti thi and all the banners, and he used to make, I remember he used to make chana chaat, and yeah, it was really nice. So I
And you do that for Miral का भी घर में होता है शोर.
मिराल के लिए तो बहुत एक्स्ट्रा होता है, इतना मेरे लिए नहीं होता. But yeah,
that's very nice. That's very nice. अच्छा, what's the one celebrity crush that you've never admitted to?
I've never admitted to.
हाँ, कि भाई मुझे इस celebrity पे crush है, Bollywood, Hollywood, Lollywood, anywhere.
I had like a major crush on Ranbir Kapoor, and I always admitted it.
You always admitted it.
I was very public about it.
हाँ, अच्छी बात है यार. Why not? Why not? It's they appreciate करना
But,
कोई
like,
बुरा नहीं है.
It's fading away now.
It's fading away. Who's your favorite actor now?
Like I also like what's his name, Aditya Roy Kapoor. Like, he's a good actor.
He is a good actor. Also, he looks really
But
nice in that film he's just done. The film is pretty
Malang,
crap.
right?
Haan,
Yeah,
but he looks so
he's
good.
really nice.
I'm unabashedly crushing on him as well.
But like, I think that's not gonna last. I still like Ranbir more.
You still like him? Chalo, theek.
Yeah.
That's fine. Acha ji, the last one is, what is the worst rumor that you've heard about yourself and you've looked and said कि यार seriously ये कैसे सोचते हैं?
There are so many. I don't even pay attention to them anymore. Like, there are like so many. I keep hearing stuff and I'm like, oh, nice. Really? I did that? I don't know. Really? That happened.
Oh wow. No, it takes a lot to say stuff like this and like keep a very level head about you, because obviously this industry में आप हो वहाँ पे हर रोज एक नया rumor बनता है.
Yeah, it used to really mess me up before, but then I realized that people who start rumors, they're just like, they don't have anything better to do, and they're just constantly trying to get to you, so you respond, and then you get into their drama, and then there's this whole drama, and I don't like drama, so I never respond to any rumors. Then the people who are close to me, they know the truth. The people who are not close to me, they don't matter to me. So no.
They don't matter. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. You don't owe them anything. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
अच्छा
So they're like very, 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 very like बहुत सारे ही हैं. कभी कुछ सुनने को मिलता है, कभी कुछ. So, but there was this time someone asked me that I heard that you're dating a prince, and I was like, wow. That's nice.
That's nice. I mean, हाँ ठीक है यार. Okay,
I
bring
don't
them
know how
on, I
people
guess.
come up with this. I don't know how they come up with things like that, and they're like so
Overactive
much
imaginations. That's how.
That's nice.
Yeah, सही है, ठीक है, करने दो ना, अच्छी बात है.
Good
करे
for
बातें.
them. Whatever makes them
exactly.
happy.
Exactly. Acha, we have 2 more segments planned, but for that I will need Jahzeb's help. Let me just find out where he is. and we
Okay.
can get him back, and then we can continue the segments.
So,
Acha ji, I think he's having some kind of a technical issue with his Zoom connection. और लाइव शोज में सबसे बड़ा आई थिंक ये इशू होता है कि व्हेन you're like आप फंस गए हो, अब आपका कोई वो नहीं है. So we're just gonna wait for him. तब तक मुझे बताओ, you've dabbled into acting also, Alize.
yeah, I did.
अच्छा. And that was
And-
a few years back?
Yeah, I did it was a cameo in a movie. It was called Rangreza, and then I did this drama called Hanya, and I did a few projects, and I was just trying to see how it works and if I like it, and I really enjoyed acting. It's really different from what we do, like in modeling. It's nothing, it's not the same at all. And I think it requires a lot of patience, which I don't have. But I think working with good team is really important. Aapko patience aa jate hain, and then you need a very supportive and motivated team to make you if you're new into acting, and it's all about learning. I think acting is just about how you learn with each project, something new. कि अच्छा ये ऐसे होता है, इस सीन में इस तरह करना होता है, या रोने वाले सीन में पहले क्या करना है, बाद में क्या करना है. So you have to
ये काफी difficult है. I recently did a TV commercial जिसमें there was this young girl, very talented, and उसमें वही था कि रोने वाला एक scene था, and this girl was miraculous. वो गई है, उसने कहा मुझे आप 5 मिनट दें, साइट पे गई है, and she comes back और उसकी आंखें भरी हुई हैं. मतलब I think it takes a very special kind of talent to go that deep.
But you need a connection with your team for that. कभी ऐसे होता है that actor is ready to perform, the director is not ready, the camera is not ready, the light is not ready, so the mood is gone. And when so that really it's really tricky at times.
Bilkul,
but it's fun. I think it's fun. I think acting is fun.
And would you want to do more of it eventually?
I will definitely. There were a few projects in pipeline before this happened, but I am gonna do acting.
That's great. Acha, ab hum, because Jahzeb is still delayed, so
maybe he should log out and log in again. No?
He did. He's trying. I think there's some issue with Zoom on his phone, and he's trying to figure that out. तो जब तक वो ये कर रहा है, हम क्विकली जो है कुछ चॉइसेस इधर और की करते हैं, और इधर और एक सेगमेंट है जो हम प्ले करते हैं अपने बाकी गेस्ट के साथ भी हमने किया था. आपने चूज करना है वेरी क्विकली बिटवीन 2 डिफरेंट people from the same category, so actors, designers, whatever. And you'll have to be very less diplomatic, ठीक है? So ये नहीं कि हाँ मुझे दोनों पसंद है, ऐसे नहीं होगा. So you'll have to pick one very quickly. So between designers, Kamyar Rukni or Nomi Ansari?
I really like. Oh my God, this is really hard. Because they're both I like the color palettes, and they're colorful, and they're
yeah.
I like them both. No, I really like the cuts Kami makes. They're really different, and they're traditional and very, very nice. And I love how Nomi is very I like how he plays with the colors.
Yeah. He's known for that.
It's really bright. Yeah.
Bilkul. Acha, between actors, who's the better actor, Fawad Khan or Humayun Saeed?
Humayun Saeed.
The better actor.
Yeah. Okay. Humayun Saeed.
And for women, who's the better actor, Sabaa Qamar or Mahira Khan?
Better actress.
Yeah.
I think Sabaa Qamar was really good in Baghi.
Mm-hmm.
And her other, Mahira is also she's a good actress, but I think acting wise Sabaa Qamar more.
Sabaa Qamar more. For sure. I completely agree. Although I'm a huge Mahira fan also, but Sabaa I think
Myra
is
is a
far
sweetheart,
ahead.
yeah. Myra is a
Yeah.
sweetheart.
Acha ji, that okay. Between musicians now, so who's the better singer? Is it Aima Baig or Momina Mustahsin?
I'm a big.
Aima Baig. And are you a Coke Studio person? Do you follow songs from like sare seasons and everything?
Not all of them, but some of them, yes. I like.
But some.
I love Ali Sethi's voice, and I love his
I know.
songs.
I'm
and
such a huge Ali Sethi fan.
Yeah,
It's
really good.
that
It's
guy's
really
vocal range is so amazing.
I like how
बहुत
he
ही
doesn't
है.
like. I like how it's very natural when he's singing. It's not. There are no like editing and all. Like बहुत लगता है कि बस जैसे बात कर रहे हो. There's no
जैसे बात
effort.
कर रहे हैं.
You know.
Absolutely.
There's no
absolutely.
effort. Like it's like natural.
Acha,
and
which
beautiful.
celebrity couple is your favorite? Is it Zara Noor Abbas and her husband? Is it Sajal Ali and her husband? Or is it Ikra Aziz and her husband?
I think Sajal and Ahad are really cute together. I'm really happy for them. They just got married. And I
Yeah.
think it was really cute how it was really like a small ceremony with friends and family.
Yeah.
I think they're cute together.
They're very cute together. I absolutely agree. Also, I think as actors, they're both amazing. With Ahad with his theatre background and Sajal with her drama prowess. बहुत amazing उन्होंने दोनों ने.
My mom is like a big drama fan. I don't really watch a lot of dramas, but
Same. I don't watch dramas. But again, मेरे भी घर में everybody watches. So
all I know
Thursday,
is from
Tuesday, I get to
Instagram.
see them.
Instagram से पता होता है.
By the way, Instagram से काफी ज़्यादा and Facebook also. I think with these groups and everything, हर वक्त कोई ना कोई discussion चल रही होती है. Like now, for example, everybody's talking about Turkish dramas because suddenly that one drama
everyone's
is
talking
running.
about that. I still haven't watched it. I really want to though, because everyone's like going crazy.
हाँ, everybody singing praises about it कि भाई you know ये. But 400 episodes यार, who will have that kind of patience? to go
I
through
don't think we
400
have anything else to do, so you better do
now
this.
we don't. Now we don't. They came at a very opportune time.
Yeah.
So yeah. अच्छा जी, अब हम wait कर रहे हैं.
Nazib is gone for good. I think he's just
Nazib is gone. हाँ. So let me just quickly, Elise, if you would give me just 2 minutes to quickly go and check up on him, and I will be
Sure.
right back.
Sure. So yeah. I can't even see the Facebook comments right now.
अच्छा भाई, as all live shows go, Elise, I am so sorry, but जहाज़ेब का तो मेरा ख्याल में बिल्कुल ही वो नहीं हो रहा connect. What I'm going to do is we had one game segment Taboo which we play with everybody planned out, but I don't think that's going to be possible with this situation. I am going to try and share my screen because we had another segment for you, which was you have to guess from the designers कि भाई ये किसका वो है. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you hear me? Because you will not be able to see my video, but can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. अच्छा जी.
Oh, that's
What you
Anush.
see, that is Anush. Anush ने एक जोड़ा पहना हुआ है. I want you to tell me कि कौन से डिजाइनर का ये जोड़ा हो
I
सकता है.
knew
I'll
who
give
that
you
was. I
in
don't
mind.
remember.
So I will give you options. ठीक है? Is it Kamyar Rukni? Is it Nomi Ansari? Or is it Banto Kazmi?
Banto Kazmi.
Great. Well done. अच्छा जी.
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to skip to the next one. And I will show you another one very quickly. And you will tell me ये किसका जोड़ा है. Yes. Can you see this?
Yeah, let me just zoom.
Right. Again, I'll give you options for this.
Okay.
Is it Nomi Ansari? Is it Ali Zishan? Or is it Khadija Shah?
Khatija Shah.
How do you know this? You like keep tabs on सारों के रैंप वॉक कैसे चल रहे हैं और क्या हो रहा है.
I
Nice,
know
yeah.
everything.
Nice. Asha ji, again, very, very quickly, this one. Is it Ali Zishan? Is it Nomi Ansari? Is it Kamyar Rukni? Or is it Khadija Shah?
Kamyar Rukni.
Wow.
This is too easy, yaar.
Really? Solid, yaar. I thought you wouldn't be able to, by the way.
Why?
No,
That's what I do.
That's what you do, but apparently you're very good at it then. This one. Is it HSY? Is it Khadija Shah? Is it Ali Zishan? Or is it Banto Kazmi?
Ali Zishan.
Oh my god. You're like really killing me at this. Acha?
They're like my friends. Like, this is Ali. I know this is Ali. For sure.
Wow. Okay, last one before we go off is this. Acha ji, ye bataएं. Again, same choices, but maybe is it HSY? Is it Khadija Shah? Is it Nomi Ansari? Or is it Ali Zishan?
Sheru likes this color. I think it's HSY. I'm not sure.
You've gotten it wrong. एक तो
Nomi.
कोई तसल्ली हो. हाँ, Nomi.
Nomi.
Oh God. You know, I had like moment of celebration कि हाँ शायद इसको गलत इसने कर दिया.
It was Nomi,
But
no?
no, this girl, it is Nomi. You're absolutely right. So that's a 5 on 5, Elise. That's amazing. I honestly, मैंने अपनी तरफ से बड़ी ढूंढ के तस्वीरें निकाली थी कि you know you might not be able to. But this is wonderful. This is absolutely amazing. You're obviously this is your field, but you're very, very good at it. You're very astute in your observation. So well,
I'm glad.
I wish Jahzeb was here. This is usually more fun when the two of us are here. But I think we'll have to wrap
I know.
up for today. और टैबू हम नहीं खेल सके जो हमारी favorite game होती है. But thank you so much, Elise, for doing this for us. Especially अब quarantine है और सब कुछ है, तो उसमें हमारे लिए आना और ये करना. This is very, very. It's been wonderful. Thank you.
No, it's like it was fun. It was not like a boring interview, so I had fun.
Oh, how sweet, how sweet. Thank you so much. And anything you'd like to say to people who are watching before you leave?
Nothing. I just want to say Eid Mubarak to everyone in advance. And just stay home, stay safe, be kind, be positive, and spread love. That's it.
How sweet. Absolutely the same, guys. From us as well here at the Conglo and Collabs. Thank you so much. Thank you, Elise. It was wonderful.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Okay.
Bye. Good
Bye.
night, everybody. Take
Good night.
care.
Bye.